In this video, I'm going to show you how to track crypto transactions automatically and in bulk. For this purpose, we'll use 3 automation tools. Find the links in the video description. As an example, we will be monitoring the transactions of an anonymous crypto wallet. The resulting Excel file will look like this. Click the like button to support the channel. And if you're into web automation and data extraction, subscribe for more bot tutorials. Let's start. Part 1. Crypto transactions monitoring. To track the transactions of your target crypto wallet, use the customizable monitoring bot in the no-code bot builder. Here's how to launch this tool. Head to Botster. Create a free Botster account and log in. Install Botster's free Chrome extension. Open the no-code bot builders page. Click on the green button to start the bot. Enter the link to your target crypto wallet. Select the fields that you need to monitor. For example, cryptocurrency received, spent, unspent, and so on. Set notification frequency. For example, every hour. Select notification type, email, Google Drive, Slack, Telegram, Webhook, or Zapier. Launch the bot into action. Done. Click on CSV, Excel, or JSON to save the extracted crypto transactions to your computer, or click on View Data to open the results online. We've exported data about received, spent, unspent cryptocurrency, and more. You can scrape other details if you need. To monitor multiple crypto wallets, enter several crypto wallet address links into the bot field. The links must have an identical structure. Part 2. Crypto wallet address monitoring. To monitor a crypto wallet address, use the customizable list scraper in the no-code bot builder. Enter the link to your target crypto wallet address. Select the fields that you need to export. For example, date, time, link, and crypto value. Select how many list items you need to export. For example, 10. Launch the bot into action. Done. We've exported a list of crypto wallet data, including date, time, link, and crypto value. You can scrape other details if needed. To scrape lists of data from a crypto wallet on a regular basis, tick Run this bot periodically and select monitoring frequency. Part 3. Binance monitoring. To monitor crypto rates on Binance, use the Binance data exporter. Select your target currency, fiat money, payment type, and transaction type. Select how many results you need to scrape. For example, 10. Set monitoring frequency. For example, every hour. Launch the bot into action. Done. We've exported current cryptocurrency rates, traders' names, links to their profiles, and more. The bot will monitor crypto price changes and send you notifications as often as scheduled. Monitor cryptocurrency rates on a regular basis and grab the best offers. Sign up on Botster, track crypto transactions and prices with the advanced crypto monitoring tools, and get access to dozens of other powerful bots. If you found this video to be useful, click the like and subscribe buttons for more automation tutorials. See you in the next video.